Hi, welcome to the course on manual testing with a bug reporting tool, Xera Videos. So let me introduce myself. I am Kiran. I have 12 years experience in QA. I'm an independent test architect and I have tie up with few startup companies where I work as a freelance test architect for the companies. I've been associated with the testing, with the quality, with the QA from past 12 years. I started my career as manual tester, then switched to automation. I worked on QDP, I worked on Selenium, I worked on API tools. Okay, so all from past 12 years, I'm working on complete testing tools. So this is what my profile is. So this course is on manual testing with a bug reporting tool, Xera. Okay, now what we have covered in the course, correct? So let's see what we have covered in this course and who can take this course. These are the two primary things, right? What we have covered and who can take this course. So in my experience, I have observed that 60 to 70% of the people do come from non-IT background to learn the QA course. So we have specifically or specially designed this course for non-IT students. If you are a non-IT student, if you are new to IT, and if you are interested to learn this QA testing straight away, you can start this course without any problem because this course starts from very scratch. So I'm going to start this course from what is software to extend of how to test it. So not only discussing about manual testing, even we are going to discuss about a bug reporting tool called Xera in this course. So manual testing plus Xera, the whole we call this as a package. So this is a complete 8 hours videos on manual and as well as Xera. Now what we have covered in the course, you can see that to the right side we have some sections and classes. So these are all the sections and classes what we have covered. So completely I can say that we have covered complete manual testing, that we have covered first theoretical and practical part also. Practical in the sense writing the test data, writing the test cases, all those comes under practical. Okay, theory in the sense software testing life cycles, development cycles, that falls under theory. And even we have covered agile too. And not only that, we have covered a bug reporting tool called Xera, that to end to end. Now again, who can learn this course? As I said earlier, 60 to 70% of the people do come from the non-IT background. So anyone who are interested to learn the course, they can straight away go ahead and join this course. Next, what are the benefits you'll get it once you enroll into the course? So it's a complete 16 plus hours of video content, manual testing and Xera, Telugu and English. So 8 hours will be in Telugu and approximately 8 hours will be in English. Okay, so it's a combination of two courses. You know it already, right? Next, not only that, whenever you purchase this course, you are going to get help in your resume preparation. Not only that, you'll get one free consultation or free live session with me where I'm going to discuss about your resume, where I'm going to clear your doubts, your career guidance, what are the tools need to be learned ahead, what are the technologies need to learn. So all these things we are going to discuss in your live session. Okay, so once after 3 or 4 members are formed, we are going to make a group and I'll conduct one live session. So that will update every time via email. You can check that. Or you can write me email whenever you are ready for your live session. So I'm going to take the live consultation to you. Not only that, you are going to get some one-on-one important interview questions on manual and HR rounds and everything. Next, if you have any doubts, a dedicated team is there and I am there to clear all your doubts. So all this are at very reasonable price of 799 rupees only. Manual testing in Telugu and as well as in English. Completely 16 plus hours of videos. You're going to get it for 799 only. Now everything is fine. How to buy the course, right? Just type kirantestingacademy.com and you'll be navigated to this website. So we are on Kiran Testing Academy. Just go to video tutorial courses, and here we have manual testing English plus Telugu. Select this. It will take you to the page where we have details of manual testing with bug reporting tool Jira combination offer, combo offer, English plus Telugu. Okay. Now, Kiran, I want to get the complete course curriculum. Here we have download details course curriculum. Just click on this download details course curriculum. You are going to get the complete course curriculum. What I have covered in the videos, you can just have a look on that. So just see, generally you want to judge the quality, right? Like how much quality our videos are. So just click on watch preview videos here. It will take you to the preview videos where you can see of free preview videos. Here we can see these are the first, we can see the free review videos in English. Okay, these are the English videos, and these are Telugu videos. Okay, so here you can see 6 Telugu videos and 6 English video previews. Go with the preview. If you are satisfied, then enroll with the course. Now the point comes how to enroll for this course. Yes, click on this enroll now button, and the course price is $7.99. If you click on enroll now, it will take you to the secure payment page. Now we have two payment gateways, that is Stripe and Razorpay. Now let's see how we can make the payment. This making payment is 3-step process. Step 1, enter your name and enter your valid email address, because to this email address you are going to get your login credentials. Next, selecting payment gateway. So if you are to use Indian debit card or Indian credit card or net banking, UPI, PhonePe, GPay, wallet, any other Indian related payment entities, you can use Razorpay. Okay, this is step 2, and click on checkout. Step 3, and you can perform that checkout process. If you are an international student, if you are located outside India, and if you want to use international credit card or international debit card out of India, right, then you can use Stripe. Okay, so Stripe will accept only international debit and credit cards. Okay, Razorpay will accept all domestic or Indian credit, debit cards, net banking, PhonePe, UPI, anything. Okay, so select this according to your requirement and click on checkout. Okay, if you are using Stripe, then straight away it will ask you for the card details. You can enter the card details and click on checkout. Okay, once after successful checkout is done, you're going to get a welcome message. And okay, so I'll show you how the checkout process happens. So I've selected Razorpay and click on checkout. Just click on pay. You can see the fee breakup here. You can just click on pay. You'll get a thank you message on the screen. Okay, if you have not received any email, any confirmation email, then you can email us at kirantestingacademy@gmail.com, or you can even WhatsApp or call at 9030484879. Okay, now let us check our email what's provided by the user. Here we can see we have received a message for Kiran Testing Academy course login details. This is a message. Okay, most of the cases you will be getting into the inbox, but in some cases it may take you to spam also. So better if you are not received, just even check in the spam also. Okay, yes, 99% of the cases if you are not received in the inbox, you will be receiving that in the spam, right? Yeah. So this is the step. So here we have 3 steps. The first one, you need to reset your password. just click on that, or you need to set your password technically. Just click on this icon, just click on this link here, set password link. It will take you to the website. Here we can set your password. I am setting a password. Reset your password. So my password setting is done. Okay, next you can log in it. This is your login URL. Just click on that. It will take you to the page, and you just click on login here. It will take you to the login page. Okay, on that login page, give the email address what's provided while registering the course, and enter the password what you have just created, and just click on login. Here you can see that your order is successful. So you have purchased English complete manual testing course with Jira and Agile with live examples, okay, which is active. You can once after done with a 100%, then you can even download the certificate too. If you want now, you can download the invoice here. Okay, so let us start. So you can just click on Access here. Here we can see that a small icon called Access. Just click on that Access, and now you can enjoy this course. Okay, so to the left side we have sections, okay, and all other details. So here we have Let's Get Started. Clicking on this, you can start watching the classes. So first class, must watch. So in this first session I'm going to explain the UI. So before starting the course, log in and watch this must watch section. Okay, in that I'm going to explain the user interface of this tool. Okay, fine. I hope everything is clear. Okay, so I'm waiting for you on board. Best of luck.